Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm sharing a special detox water for post-delivery. As a new mom, you may often wonder what you need to eat or drink to increase the supply of breast milk you produce and also speed up recovery after childbirth. But before I started, please do subscribe my channel for more videos and hit that bell button for notifications. So first thing you need is 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds. Jeera are believed to help in milk production. It also helps in digestion and relieve constipation, bloating and gas. Then you need 2 tablespoons of ajwain or carom seeds. It helps in cleansing the stomach and aid digestion. It also speeds up recovery after childbirth. And you need 2 tablespoons of saunf or fennel seeds. It is believed to help in milk production and prevent colic in babies. Now put the 1 liter filter water in a pan and bring to a boil. Now add all the 3 seeds in this and mix it well. Now lower the flame and keep the mixture on a rolling boil for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now as you can see, the water color is completely changed. Now switch off the flame, cover the pan and let the mixture stand for about 5 to 10 minutes. But please note here, prepare fresh batch daily, preferably in the morning, and try to finish by the end of the day. Now after 5 minutes, strain the water. Also, don't throw these seeds. You can use these in next day again or in making tadka for sabji, masala puri and etc. Now store the water in a thermos so that the water remain warm for many hours. Take small sips as often as you like. So I hope you liked this video and found it helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.